kindergartners. Happy Tuesday. To get our brain started today, we're going to be playing a little puzzle with our number 10. So you're going to need your number bond, and you can actually write the number 10 in the hole because that's the number we're going to be making today is 10. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be giving you some puzzle pieces, okay? And we're going to be making the parts that go to 10. So right here, I have a template of what 10 would look like. So I'm going to give you one part of the puzzle. We already know we're trying to make 10, okay? So here's my other part of the puzzle. Let's count how many dots we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to put 8 in one of our parts of our number bond, and we're going to try to figure out how many more dots do we need to make it 10. See if you can figure it out and write that number in here, and then we'll check it. All right, are you ready? Do you think you know how many more to make 10? 8 and how many? Yeah, we should have put 2 in this part. 8 and 2 makes 10. 8, 9, 10. All right, go ahead and erase your number bond, and we're going to do another one. We're still trying to make 10, so you can leave that 10 in there if you would like. Just erase your parts. All right. And here we go. We're going to do another one. See if you can figure it out. All right, so let's see. How many do we have up there? We have 5. So go ahead and write a 5 in one part. See if you can figure out what our other part would be and write it in this part of the number bond. Let's see. What do you think it could be? 5 and what makes 10? 5 dots and 5 dots. If you had 5 in this other part, you are correct. 5 and 5 makes 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you don't even have to count it, do you? Because you know if there's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, automatically we know 5 and 5 is 10. That's why it's called a tens frame. All right, we're going to go ahead and take off these dots. Go ahead and erase out your parts. We're going to do another one. See if you can figure this out. You guys are pretty good at these puzzles. All right, are you ready? Ooh, it's getting a little bit trickier. This is a little bit tricky. Let's see if you can figure it out. How many dots do we already have? 4. So go ahead and write a 4 in one part. See if you can figure out what the next, what is the other part that's going to make 10? 4 and... All right, let's see if you know. Did you write 6? If you wrote 6, you're right. 4 and 6 makes 10. Very good. All right, go ahead and clear off your number bond. Make sure you leave the 10. Sorry, I should say just clear off the parts of your number bond. All right, here we go. We got my puzzle ready. All right, are you ready? Oh, I think you might get this one. It's pretty easy. How many do we have? Go ahead and count it and write it in here. We have 9 already. We need to know how many more to make 10. This was an easy one, wasn't it? We just need 1. 9 and 1 more makes 10. 9 and 1 more makes 10. Go ahead and erase out your parts. Last one. Here we go. The last one. See if you can get it. I'm going to make it I'm going to make it tricky. Here we go. We have, go ahead and write how many in this part. So we have 3 already. See if you can figure out how many more we need to make 10. Write it in this part over here. Let's see. Did you guess the number, or I guess figure out the number 7? 3 and 7 makes 10. 3 and 7 makes 10. Very good, kindergartners. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and get started on our lesson.